We are now here in Macau. Mga tao lang ang vlog ko nito. May visa ka? Meron ka? Yeah, Windows of the World. Pare-pareho lang ito. Bawal na. Tess! Tess! Uy! Tess! This is such a space. We just gone through the immigration. Now,
Yung basic na bilisan nyo. Kasi may mga yung ang mura ng hukay sa tao.
that's our tour guide withholding with Here's our coach that will send us all over Macau.
Tabi tayo. Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Senior!
Let's go.
Kunang, kailangan mo ng ano, ng...
Akay?
ng... Ito ko.
Banana.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
行得唔緊要，碼頭嗰個鬥獸場嗰度啊。Somebody told me 8:15. So you're coming 8:15. Okay, my name is Agnes. Are you taking photo? My video?
Video.
Yes?
Yeah.
My name is Agnes. So if you take video, I will speak a little bit artificial. So if you put it down, I can speak more freely. Is it okay not to take video? It's so shy.
Okay.
Cheating or scam, so they don't help you. But the best for sure that they know that you are the tourist group. Okay, thank you so much. Put me somewhere visible.
All right.
Somewhere visible. Your hair. Yeah. So okay. Don't lose it. Don't lose. More excited. Okay, Papa, you need a mask. If those who have a little bit cough, yeah, you can please take. Yeah, that is for good to everybody, also for good to me. So. Okay, now give you some idea. When we next that we go to St. Paul, and there's another square. St. Paul, they have the museum. See if you want to visit or not. In Macau, if anybody you need to change money, you can ask for me to change the money. End of the tour, you can't finish. I will change you back your money, peso or US dollar. If some everywhere accept Macau dollar, somewhere accept Hong Kong dollar. But like the museum, government office, immigration, that use Macau dollars only. So if you want, you can. I will change you money. End of the tour, you can't finish your money. I will change you back your currency. If you give me peso, I give you back peso. US dollar, I give you back. So you don't need to worry about you change too much. Understand? So after here, if you need, you can change some for me. Okay? So, Mama. You know, I'm also, you know, you please put on this one.
Ay, si lolo mo. Learn. Done with our first stop. Next, on the way to our next stop. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. We're here at Macau Souvenir Shop. So nice. Some postcards. Mag
我走哪儿我就买哪儿，走到哪儿我就买一个哪儿。
那就买一个小的。
souvenirs. Antiques.
Chicken.
Let's go. Asan na yung...
When we go down, I show you which one is the most famous. If you want souvenir, you can buy it here. If you want egg tart, here is good. If you want drink, snake time there is good. If you want accessory, this one is good. Accessory, the basement. 20 minutes. Thank you. Tea time, 20 minutes. I show you. This is the new version. The new version. This is the old one. This one you can try the new version. The new one. Yes. Educate okay. Yeah, try this one.
Very popular egg tart.
This one is $1.
Yung malaki,
You ask them to give you back Hong Kong dollars. Here. This one. Now this is the egg tart.
Gaksan ng
The
Hong
new
Kong
version is
dollar.
more delicious, but more expensive. This is 10. This is
Ganyan, wala silang box.
Wala. Pag box sila, 60 pieces. Ay, 6 na peraso.
60 pieces.
6 na peraso.